Hi, let me show you how to install the new bamboo product, the SlatWall wall paneling. As you'll see, it's really easy to install and it's a great product. It comes in panels of 2 feet by 8 feet long and it folds like this in the package. So it's really light to handle, and there's double-sided tape in the back to make it even easier to install. So I'll show you how to install. I'll put the timer on so you see how quick it is to install the wall and how nice the result is in the end. So let's start the timer and let's go. Please note that there's also some black screws in the back, so you can add some screws top and bottom. Done. So it took actually 20 minutes and 19 seconds to install a 12 by 8 foot wall. So oh, hi James.
Papa.
You want to come and have a look? Comment ça va, garçon?
Papa.
Quoi? Viens voir. Est-ce que tu trouves ça beau? Bon. So the family is arriving, so I'm gonna have to go. So that's it. Thank you.